Hello friend, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. Blockchain is one of the greatest trending technology in the industry, and Kerala Blockchain Academy is bringing up Blockchain Foundation program. This is a free of cost program which will include instructor interaction, 1 month content access, quizzes for evaluation, external reading links, videos of blockchain experts, certificate on public blockchain. The registration is currently going on, and you can see the course fee is nil, that is it is free of cost. The duration is for 1 month or 4 weeks. The certification will be based on online quizzes. If you perform well in online quizzes, you will be also getting a certificate, and the mode will be completely online. So you can read about the course. Here are the details of the course, and what you will be learning is blockchain. What is blockchain? Why blockchain is considered so innovative? Introduction to distributed ledgers, cryptocurrency and blockchain. Principal features of blockchain technology: introduction to different consensus algorithms, Ethereum and smart contracts, Hyperledger projects, tools, and Hyperledger Fabric, different types of blockchain implementations, applications of blockchain technology aside from cryptocurrencies. You can also check out the course outline where you have been the first module is introduction to blockchain technology and applications. Second module contains blockchain transactions and Bitcoin blockchain, fundamentals of Ethereum and Hyperledger blockchain, and the last module is blockchain applications and current challenges. The frequently asked questions are there any prerequisites to join this program? So there are absolutely no prerequisites. Any student from graduate, business professional who want to test the nectar of blockchain and its future prediction. So how will be the program structure? The program structure will be for 1 month, and there will be a weekly interactive session for the participants. So how long a learner can access the contents? The learner will be accessing the contents for 1 month in the specified time period. So the eligibility criteria is the have to complete all the assessment quizzes and should have scored a minimum of 60% marks to for each quiz. So then you will be receiving a certificate. Who will be issuing the certificate? KBA or Kerala Blockchain Academy will issue the certificate, and that will be co-stamped by Kerala Development and Innovation Strategic Council. So how long will it take to get my certificate? You will receive the certificate within 1 week at your registered email address after the end date of your cohort. How can you verify? You can verify the certificate using this website. So if you want to enroll, you can click on enroll now. Here you have to create your account. You have to fill up your email, full name, your username, password, your country, and then you can create your account and fill up a form to get registered. If you have this video is helpful, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel Lemon Coders to get more such courses updates and job notifications and internships, etc. Thank you for watching.